Aku lagi bingung koni guys first to get dari bro. Ayo dulu.
Aye, for sec.
Abu.
The food sec. Yeah, vele. Okay, sorry.
Kona bebe mfuna nimkipheleni ma.
Yona bandile bro.
Zimbabwean.
Okay, Asana, so we're gonna end it at half
Like
past.
some people in this life have Zimbabwean accents, but like Jack, it will
All the people deny.
Some of y'all sound foreign. Some of you guys are living on the third tier.
Bandile.
Yeah,
Wait, can you send me some? Can you give me a
but
galaxy?
I'm sorry that the president is racist.
No, president is racist.
Bandile indaba ngisendele i-message.
I-message now so yakhula.
Singakuli. Na i-message la ebhayiwe la ku WhatsApp ithi
Angikwazi.
See, these people like fighting. That's the thing I can tell.
VSP ba angazi umama lena kona lokho uthe njalo ke wena what do you want to know?
Yes, Asanda, good job. Good job.
You.
Papa.
I'm addicted to sorry.
Now, guys, it's almost half past.
It's almost half past. At the end, I'll see if I'll say something crazy. But last time I did, we don't talk about it.
Yeah, last time I exposed
you said you're
myself.
Last time I exposed myself too bad.
Just be like you ain't in our school, cause
No, you listen and you don't judge, guys.
At this point, you also.
You listen and you don't judge. Days you can say, I won't judge.
Nah, there's always next time.
Oh, never mind, he disconnected himself. You know what? Let me go first. You know, we listen and we don't judge. There's one time when I was 4 years old, my aunt was having this lovely wedding, and like
we love that story.
Were wearing wigs. Yes, that like Kimi Kenzo and Tandy again. So right as they were walking out to just do the reception, I told them, guys, be careful, your wigs are gonna fall off. Right in front of her husband, mind you.
Let me think of one. I can't
go. These two up here already know the story, so yeah. This time I'm going to explain it so you understand where I was coming from. So, back in the day of my AFMA, every comment section there was this girl with an inappropriate profile picture. And every once in a while, I'll ask her why is it
because we can still be up.
I'll ask her why do you have an inappropriate picture, And then I see she has so many likes, so many followers. I click her account to see what's going on. All I see is a link. This happens a few more times till the last time. One day, I click her profile because it doubled her followers. I was like, what's going on? The link. It's calling my name. I know if I click it, I might get traumatized. I'm like, but the link is busy calling my name. I click it, boom. I get flashed by a naked lady twerking.
No. Just imagine your parents are there, dog. Yo.
No, I closed my eyes. Then I realized I have to get out. So I opened again. I couldn't find the get out button. Then I realized I was in some Google form. I kicked out. And I was like, curiosity killed my innocence.
Throw the phone away. Oh, that one.
I'll go maybe last. Tando go. I don't have one.
I remember your brother.
And I had such a good one in class. I have an
What did you do?
Never mind.
Didn't they shave her eyebrow?
Okay, Mishi, go.
What did I do?
We're playing
Don't
Don't Judge.
Hey, what?
I don't have one. And if I have one, I think it's Wait, can you give me context but don't spill it, no?
Remember when we were on that zipline?
But how's that unless we listen and we don't judge? I look he just sleep. And y'all were laughing at me. This is bullying at its finest.
Can I go then?
Daisy, repeat.
We don't talk about it.
All your embarrassing photos. Promise.
Okay, Asanda.
Must I go next?
Yes, one I think.
Okay, wait.
Is
there was a time
who's getting caught?
Okay, I know who it is. Please crack yourself on mute.
Yes, crack yourself.
Don't want to hear this.
Crack yourself.
Yes, crack yourself on mute.
What do you mean crack yourself?
Like cracking your fingers, you know?
Me cancel.
Who's cracking themselves? Wait, it's not possible to crack yourself, eh?
Yes, it really is.
I want to see the scientific word. This reminds me of, do you know, Mishi, you remind me of the same sentence. White-haired edges, white edges man said the exact same sentence and left.
No, but white edges man is.
Sentence.
Okay, no. There's this. If you want to look who's white edges, there's this light skin guy who's in our school. It's on the left. It's not sharp.
And then
When I say white, they're whiter than my hands.
They're white.
Like,
and her face, oh, her face is really bad. It's not clear.
We can
Like,
ask
it's really bad.
yes.
I'm now curious though. See this girl. Where can girls go?
Yes.
Wow.
Mishi, how do you know?
How do you?
How do you know?
Bro, I have friends, bruh.
Friends always.
Ula MTC, bruh.
I don't believe
bruh. Okay, bruh, MTC is a guy.
I don't blame you though.
Okay.
I don't blame
bruh,
you.
like how they go is like they like I don't wanna get Zulu band. I don't wanna get Asante band.
Not Asante.
Yeah,
You're
even
still
MTC knows,
Asante.
bruh. Even this guy knows, bruh. Add him to their life. Even this
Hey,
guy
bro,
knows.
Kumo. We're gonna get banned soon. I just can't prove it.
It's better if I don't.
And I just got my TikTok.
Like, just play with yourself.
I was the reason why your TikTok.
Play with yourself. Guys. Oh no. Remember that homeboy I was telling you about her? Yeah. That's why I don't talk to people after 1 o'clock. After like 12.
They start to get crazy.
They start to get sleep. The lack of sleep. It's tantalizing their bodies.
This is why I doom scroll.
This is why I scroll and I don't talk to anyone, especially boys.
Bro.
You see?
Like, have you ever tried kidnapping a person and then after kidnapping, you take drugs. After drugs, you go swim.
Your accent
After
change.
swimming,
Guys, I wanted
after
to
swimming, You go on top of a
At some
building.
point, I wanted to be kidnapped because, like, I wanted to know how it felt. Low key,
I
listen,
want
I
to
can explain it.
catfish
you, bruh.
people. I want to know how it feels to faint. You know, when you see people
You know,
faint. I want to.
I want to be
Faint, bruh.
kidnapped,
Getting
but then I'm gonna
kidnapped,
be
bruh.
so
Yeah, but don't
smart
I
that
like?
they leave the door open and I escape.
Yes. I have a whole idea plan if I get
You
kidnapped.
know,
And I want to rob Mansa
I've been watching
Musa.
self-defense videos.
Mansa Musa. I'll never forget. Mansa Musa would get robbed one day.
Yo, Brantis.
The dude's dead. I remember when I was talking about time
Hey,
machine.
bruh, be back.
I wanna get a time machine. Yo,
Yo,
I even figured out a way how to create a time machine.
I figured out how to escape, dog. Like, I wanna get kidnapped, ne?
it's
But then they
actually
must
easy
leave
though.
the door opened, ne? And then I must just escape like that.
It's actually easy
No,
to like.
what's that? Because now they're gonna ask, where are your chummies? And then you lick my location because you know where I live.
Mm-hmm. So we
Just
can go
post your location
together.
on TikTok though.
If I get kidnapped and they put me on the chair, I break the chair, take a short piece, untie the. I stand up and I drop down. I said, I've been watching things.
Me and Mikenso are locked in. You're not
I was
locked
watching
in.
some gangster thing where one guy came with a pew pew.
Hi,
So you think
MTC.
that you can fight against big 6'10" guys?
As
You
long
alone.
as I have a pew pew with me.
Me too. I must just breathe up. I must be like those
A pew doesn't change.
man.
Those guys have 8 packs.
At this point, I'm gonna remove you if you continue saying
MTC guys, like MTC Loki trying to talk.
Easy, bring your man.
Yes, I need to bring him. Busy disappearing.
You're gonna force your voice, you're gonna
Ladies, calm down.
not the couple going
Whose Nokia is it's ringing.
No, please remember that live where that one dude's phone was going
Yes, it was going. Oh my gosh.
You guys can feel my aura.
Your aura.
Yes.
Nice.
Easy, bring your dude here.
I'm summoning him. Let me.
But
You see?
I just got
Yes.
on and I got added, but I see that I have aura.
You
Because your
guys
girl
have
wanted you.
aura. I'm the
What
one
did I
with
do,
aura.
Yano? Yeah, if he's saying I have aura.
Like me and Mishi have aura. Like our aura is so
Ah,
powerful.
yeah, you is weak.
Easy, just know if my voice cracks on stage during lovely
My aura
day
is so
That is
powerful.
laughing.
Like it can
See, I'm
destroy a whole
fine.
planet. Like actually.
What? Where did you say, Asanda?
And I'm saying, if my voice cracks on
If
stage
it cracks,
during lovely
bye-bye.
day,
Bye. I'm leaving.
I'm done. I'm done with singing. Like, Joe, I'm gonna quit. Imagine these crazy girls are
Oh,
staying.
imagine if when you're doing your solo, it goes. Ew.
This is why I can.
Nah, I'm tired now. Yeah. Bye bye.
Enjoy your sleep.
I'm not gonna sleep. I'm gonna doom scroll or something.
Talk to the other ladies, ne?
That's
Nah,
me.
I am tired for 2 days.
Okay, but remember what I taught you, you know what we taught you.
Hello.
Hello.
What brand is your microwave?
Let me quickly check.
Yeah. Thank you for the
Easy,
lesson.
bring this now.
Maybe one day I'll use it.
Yes.
Use your powerful advice
Just
in the
evaporate.
future.
Use it every day. Trust.
You get the hands. Jonas.
The hands.
The hands.
Oh, I hands.
Say your last words before you buy.
No, the
Yo,
dance.
bruh, MTC, pick your hand here, boy. 3-man mission.
I can bang all these niggas, bro. That's what they keep.
Bruh, do a 3-man mission. Pick your hand, boy.
MTC is into
How about 2-man mission? No, break that.
How about a one man?
Yeah, how about a 1-man? We're already taken.
We take it. Oh man, even though he's not mine, it's okay. It's okay.
Who are you directing? Who are you directing?
This one's talking about dream, ne? Sophia's
Yeah,
talking
me
about
and my boo. Have to tell the whole world, shame.
we got Mishi.
Ah,
Who's back?
Bring him back.
Wait, it's Jax, my boy. Yes, Jax, come back.
Deserves to come back.
Jax, why are you at the floor?
Why are you 6 feet below?
Jax, rejoin.
No. Oh yeah, you can't just like this.
I'ma add you back, ne? Okay, sharp. Yeah.
9 minutes left.
Oh, 9 minutes.
8 minutes.
Your time is wrong.
The time right now.
Now it's saying 8 minutes.
Guys, if you gotta confess,
That's my time,
to
bro.
sing dubs.
I'll confess at the last 10 seconds. Yeah. Let me add Tyler Morgan, and if they disrespect us, I'll leave. Hello. Hello. Tyler, hello. Tyler, hello.
What to speak?
I boy. Yo.
So we're waiting for you to say what you gotta say or whatever we do.
I'll say it like at the last minute, and I'm gonna leave so fast. You won't catch me.
What is this one saying? I'm struggling to read.
For all the single people, just remember you're not single alone.
For all the single people, just remember you're not single alone.
Okay,
Who's blessing my ears? Just comment section is just
all of us.